Wherever you live, the United States, the UK, Canada, Australia, or the Gulf, you work hard abroad. You pay your bills, you save. Maybe you're building a retirement account in your host country. But here's a question most Tanzanians in the diaspora never stop to ask. What if the best investment opportunity you have is back home in Tanzania? Today we're breaking down exactly why the Salaam Stock Exchange is quietly outperforming major global markets, and what that means for your money right now, no matter which passport is in your pocket. Let's get into it. Global markets like the S&P 500 are genuinely some of the best in the world. They've returned an average of 10 to 11% per year over the last century. That's impressive. And if your employer offers a retirement match, whether it's a 401k in America, a pension match in the UK, or an RRSP match in Canada, you should absolutely be using it. An employer match is an instant 100% return on that money. Nothing beats that. But here's what most financial advisors outside Africa will never tell you. They don't know African markets exist. And that is exactly where the opportunity lives. The Salaam Stock Exchange, the DSE, is Tanzania's primary stock market. It opened in 1998, and today it lists some of Tanzania's largest and most profitable companies across banking, manufacturing, and consumer goods. The DSE is what investors call a frontier market. Smaller than major global exchanges, less liquid, but also less efficient. And less efficient markets create more opportunity for investors who do their homework. Let's look at CRDB Bank, Tanzania's most traded stock and one of its largest commercial banks. Over the past 52 weeks alone, CRDB's share price ranged from 790 Tanzanian shillings to over 3,100 shillings. That's a gain of over 240% in a single year. Compare that to the average global market return of around 10% per year. Now, past performance never guarantees future results, but 240% versus 10% tells you something powerful about the growth potential sitting inside East Africa's economy right now. Here's what makes you, as a Tanzanian in the diaspora wherever you are, uniquely positioned to take advantage of this. You understand Tanzania from the inside. You know which banks people trust. You know which brands dominate the market. You have cultural knowledge that foreign investors simply do not have. That local knowledge is your edge, no matter which country you call home today. CRDB also pays dividends, cash paid directly to you every year just for owning the shares. In 2026, that dividend was 90 shillings per share. Own 100,000 shares and that's 9 million shillings flowing into your account every year without selling a single share. That's passive income. Building your family's financial foundation while you build your life abroad. Now let's be honest about the risks, because every investment has them. First, currency risk. You may earn in dollars, pounds, euros, or dirhams, but DSE stocks trade in Tanzanian shillings. Exchange rate movements can affect your real returns. Second, liquidity. The DSE is smaller than major global markets, and buying or selling large quantities quickly can sometimes be a challenge. Third, frontier market volatility. Prices can move sharply on lower trading volumes. These risks don't make the DSE a bad investment. They make it an investment that rewards patience, consistency, and doing your homework. In our next video, we're going to show you, step by step, from wherever you live in the world, exactly how to open a DSE brokerage account and buy your first CRDB shares, no matter your country of residence. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and share this video with one Tanzanian in your network, anywhere in the world, who needs to hear this message. Your wealth does not have to choose between your host country and Tanzania. With the right strategy, it can grow in both. Until next time, invest wisely, invest with purpose.